What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. You guys seen the Camaro yesterday. You guys seen the wheels on there, man. That thing is freaking fly. Even got a couple offers for it, man. Somebody's already trying to buy that thing, so that thing might be gone. But furthermore, man, we do have our 2017 Road Glide special back here that we copped from Copart a while ago, man. You guys remember the black bike had all the black widows and everything on it. Well, we definitely got our paint set yesterday back from Antonio, man. So it's now time to get this thing unwrapped and check out this paint job. You guys kind of seen a sneak peek of it in the last video, so I can't wait to really see what everything is looking like here today, man. So if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. We are almost at 50,000 subscribers, man. So please give your boy a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell to receive notifications every time I post a video, man. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide Special or my 2014, yes, I'm giving them both away, first and second place. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, copy you a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We have less than 100 hats left, man. So I'm hoping to give this thing away by Christmas. So, man, if you guys want to enter, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy you a hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, today is all about our 2017 Road Glide. It is time to put that thing together and get that thing looking like something different, because it's been looking like rough for a while, man. And y'all know my style. I gotta have that thing eyes down to a T, man. So without further ado, let's get right into it and check out these parts now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, so we're only taking apart right now, at least, the stuff for the back of the bike. We got our rear fender side covers, the rear fender fascia, bags, tops, and all that. So now we're gonna get our bags situated and all complete in one piece. After that, we'll be moving on to our fender, trying to get that thing mounted up. From there, we'll be moving to the front, man. So follow along and let's get it going. But golly, before we start, let's just look at this color. It's under regular light right now. Like when we get into the sun, you guys can see the full potential, but it does got that Black Widow effect on there. Looks really good. This is probably the only time we'll ever be doing black in anything we do. So you guys better like it, man. Alrighty, guys, so we got our rear fender together. Literally just need these 3 little bolts that bolt this fascia up. Thought I had some. Obviously Antonio took off the bolts, but no big deal there. We got our bags together and complete. So we also do got to get one more mounting screw for this rear fender, as it only came with 3. So we'll get that mounting screw, those 3 little screws in the back to mount up the fascia. And then on the bike, it looks like this little neck piece right here will need to be changed out, man. So we'll go to Harley real quick and get that stuff before we can start mounting up everything. But so far, so good. Color is looking nice. Meanwhile, we did have to pull up to Harley. Pull it up in that joint. Oh my God. Yeah, that thing look even better in the sun. I ain't gonna hold you. That thing looks so cold. Ay. Oh, I'm excited, y'all. Thank God. Alrighty, guys, I'm super excited, man. We got everything we need to pretty much put this bike pretty much back together today. Oh, I can't wait. Today is a good day. I got the Camaro out here, y'all. I am excited. It is time to go to the house, even though I want to go get some slow-mo of this thing, man, but I don't know. We're gonna see. Alrighty, guys, back in the garage. We finally got some daylight out. We started this thing early in the morning. Y'all know when I get these paint sets, man, I be amped up and ready to go and put these things back together. We got our neck piece here for the fairing, and we got our little bolts right there for the fascia. So we got everything that should be here, and we can just finish up this rear fender, and then we'll start putting that thing on real quick. Alrighty, guys, so we got the bike pulled out. You guys know our routine. We're gonna be starting from the back and working our way to the front. In which when we get to the front, we gotta take pretty much everything off because we gotta put our cups on. We gotta change that mount and everything, man. So the whole front end will be coming off, maybe a 2-part video or so, but we will get as much as we can get done. So let's get started, man. Can't wait. Like that, guys, we got our bags on there along with our side covers. Now, of course, this thing is dirty and everything, got all the fingerprints showing, is black, but we will get it cleaned up. You guys see it's like a red flake in there. Looks really dope. Now that we got the rear end situated, bringing this thing to life, it's time to get to this front. Now the front should be pretty easy. It's just a lot of steps, man. So we'll be pulling off this fairing and stuff for the first time. Hopefully we don't run into no more Black Widows, and if we do, we got something handy waiting for them, man. So let's get it together and get this thing cracking and keep going, dog. So now that we got things switched out, we're about to be cutting the wires on this, getting this fairing off of here, getting the new fairing on. We got to break it all the way down to the mounting neck piece. Once we get there, we'll build up the whole front end back up. So let's get into it, man. I can't wait. Guys, we got that fairing off. It's over there. Meanwhile, we got to change out this neck piece really quick. You guys can see it. It's bent like at an angle like that way. So we'll get this off and switched out real quick and start getting everything bolted back up. Meanwhile, before we get the fairing on, we can put like the sliders and stuff on for the fork. So we'll work on the fairing after we get this front end ready to go. So let's get it. On there, we got our fork sliders. Everything up here in the front is looking pretty good. We tilted our bars back a little bit because we don't like that cholo style. You guys know how I like to ride, but all in all, is looking good so far. Now next step, we'll be putting our fairing on here, but however, we got to put our fairing together, man. So I'm gonna take everything off of this fairing, put it on that one. Once we get from that, we'll be loading that thing up on there, and that thing will be pretty much done and good to go. I can't wait. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, we pretty much got our fairing together, inner fairing together, just about. So we're gonna get these door covers and stuff on there. Matter of fact, we're gonna get this fairing on the bike. That way we can plug up everything else on the bike and it'll be that much easier, man. So let's get it. We got our fairing on there, light works and everything. Let's check it out. Yes, sir, just what I'm talking about, looking good. Now we can check out the actual inner fairing, looking good. We got to put our covers on there now, but shouldn't be too much more. So let's keep this going and see what we can get done today, man. Like that, guys, we got something going here, man. It's looking a whole lot better already. Now we got to put our gas tank together and put that on, but it is looking pretty fair, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think so far in the comments below. I'm about to try to get this thing looking at least complete so we can finish off this day. Like that, guys, we got her all pretty much completed, looking good. Oh my god, man, I gotta pull this thing out in the sun. This garage ain't doing enough justice for me, man. Hold up, dog, hold up. And yes, sir, we have to pull it out now. The sun is pretty much gone for the day. I ain't gonna hold you, but man, do you guys see what we got going on here? We got the red on the bottom, black on top. I call this one Black Widow, man. Y'all know when we like first got it, we seen this thing with like a bunch of like spiders and everything, found a bunch of Black Widows, so the black and red color scheme was only right. Got our inner fairing in here, color matched, of course. We also got this little piece down here, color matched. It's a lot of little detail parts, man. We got the air cooler or whatever, cover, whatever. Looks good. We got the black and the red fade back there. Now, I haven't wiped it down yet, man, so it's gonna be dusty like this side over here. But man, literally, no big deal. Does look really good, man. What do you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. We can probably start this thing up and check it out really quick. See if we got everything plugged up and see if this thing fires up. Oh, actually, I didn't even plug the gas up. I'm glad I thought about it. Let's see. Alrighty, guys, so I connected the fuel tank. However, I probably connected something wrong, man. I just been working since like 3 a.m. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. Probably just need to take a quick reset and then we'll get it together. But y'all see it here first, man. Let your boy know in the comments below what you think about the red and the black fade, man. Our rim should be done any day now, man. So I literally can't wait to get this thing completed and see what it's looking like, man. Let your boy know what it's looking like and what you think about it in the comments below, dog. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate that, man. We are almost at 50,000 subscribers, man. Yes, I appreciate each and every last one of you, man. My hands is freaking black as heck right now, but I appreciate you, man. If you guys haven't, please like the video. Please subscribe, man. We're almost at 50, man. So help your boy out and get to big 5-0. But you guys seen the video today, man. We put that black and red road glide pretty much all the way together. Literally only like turn signals and little stuff like that. You guys know when it's at this point, it's literally just smooth sailing for the most part. At least I hope so. Now, I did try to start it up. However, I don't know if I was just moving so fast. Like I said, I was up since like 2, 3 in the morning. So I'm sure I was just moving too fast and just didn't connect something or put something in the wrong place. I don't know, but we'll definitely figure it out, get that thing fired up and going again, man. I can't wait. Next step on this, man, we will be picking up our rims for this bike. We should be picking them up tomorrow, so the bike should be assembled completely, I guess, within the next couple of days or so, man. So I can't wait to get this thing going, man. So if you guys haven't, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide Special or my Road King back there, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We have less than 100 hats left, man. So if you guys want to win a Harley Davidson at the cost of about $100 or so, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy you a hat, and you can be riding away on one of these things before this year is up. We're trying to give this thing away Christmas or so, man. So if you guys are interested, man, and you guys want a chance at winning a nice, fabulous Everything's Regular Harley Davidson, head over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get you a hat. In the meantime, man, I'm freaking tired. I'm whooped. My hands is dirty, and I need to chillax, man. So in the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.